Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be unboxing a plant from the plant Chica. I've been wanting this plant for quite a bit of time and I finally ordered it. So I'm gonna try to make this quick because our landscapers are supposed to come today and I'm in the backyard, so I'm kind of in their way. So let's just get on into this plant. We're gonna unbox it and we're gonna repot it. Eek! Exciting. Paper. Oh, she sent me a little card. Wait a minute. The card says, "Thank you. Nicole, words cannot describe how happy I am that you're getting into Hoyas. Hint, hint, you will love them. I sent you a 4-inch Hoya Carnosa green because I appreciate you." Oh my gosh. Thank you for being such an awesome customer. Your friend Sandra, the plant Chica. Stop. Oh my gosh. I want to cry, you guys. I want to cry. This isn't the plant I ordered. It's in there, the one I ordered, but she sent me another plant, a 4-inch plant. I swear I wasn't expecting this. I'm pretty sure she did this the last time I did an unboxing of hers. So she's out in California and she's always posting about how she has like plant swaps going on. Well, not plant swaps, but like plant sales or like plant adoptions more specifically. And she does these adoptions and she gives out free plants. She just did one. If you're in LA or the greater Los Angeles area, she just did one where she was doing like mimosas and plant adoptions, and she had so many people there, and I was bummed because I wanted to go so bad, but I'm in Chicago. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you guys, this plant is perfect. Look at the stems on this. I don't have any words. I'm at a loss. Hoya Carnosa green. I just got a pink variegated one, guys. Thank you, Sandra. You rock. Now, I'm gonna need another pot. Let's get into the plant I ordered. You guys, look at this Hindu rope. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is probably one of the healthiest Hindu ropes I've seen in quite some time. They had some of these at my local Lowe's and they were just in such horrible shape. I felt embarrassed, like, for Lowe's that they even had them out. This is so pretty, you guys. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. I'm thinking that this will fit perfectly in here. It's the same size pot. I'll, kind of look at the roots and see if I need to go up one size bigger. And if I do, then I'm just going to hold off on repotting because I don't have a pot, an 8-inch pot. But these Hoyas, these Hoya compactas, Hindu ropes, they like to be somewhat just like any other plant, not root bound, but in close quarters to the pot. So they don't need a ton of space, as you can see. This looks like it's doing fine. I am gonna get this out of here and check out the situation. I can't stop looking at this green Carnosa. I'm gonna start by taking this hanger off so I can get it out of the pot a little bit easier. Okay. I saved my hangers because you never know. I love the fact that I can now repot outside because it just makes a mess inside, you know? All right, so let's take a look at this root system here. massage the pot. See, now that's a pretty root system right there, you guys. Let me do a little close up there. I don't know if you could see that, but it's not root bound. It's got plenty of space. So I'm gonna go ahead and massage a little bit of the soil off of here. Kind of give it like maybe an inch or two at the bottom of this pot, because as you can see, you want it to sit right up at the top of the pot. So as you can see, the bottom, there's about 2 inches down there. So if you massage the bottom of the roots, that will allow for the roots to grow a little bit longer and your plants will get a little bit bigger. Always use a well-draining soil with Hoyas. It looks like this is filled with pumice and perlite, which is great because that's pretty much the mix that I'm gonna be using. It's like a cactus soil, and it has a little bit of pumice, a little bit of perlite for extra drainage. There doesn't seem to be any orchid bark in this one. Sometimes people use orchid bark with Hoyas because, again, it allows for extra drainage. All right, see, we got the roots kind of out there. It's not as bound as it was, and we're gonna add some soil. My Hoya carnosa is right there. Just gonna add like 2 inches to the bottom, like I said. See, just like so. And then we are just gonna pop this guy in and then backfill if needed. See if there's any leaves that are, one little leaf there that didn't make it, which is fine. But look at how gorgeous this is. Oh my goodness, guys. Okay, see? It fits perfectly in there. And the roots have plenty of room to grow down. So now what I'll do is I'm just gonna backfill this a little bit, and it'll be good to go. Just kind of fill in soil on the side so that it's nice and sturdy in the pot. And that's it. So happy, so happy. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll be sure to link Sandra's information below, her Etsy shop, The Plant Chica. Check her out, her prices are so reasonable. Thank you for watching my video. Sorry, I'm a little shocked still because I'm in Hoya heaven. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, as always, leave them in the comment section below. I love hearing from all of you guys. I love all of your advice that you give me too. So keep them coming. And then if you're new to my channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button and that little bell next to it so you can get notifications anytime I post a video like this one. Thanks, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.